What's up, everybody? How's it going? What a wonderful day to be alive as a Hexakin. Wow. What a time to be alive, boys. Maybe the price is down, maybe it's not. I don't know. I haven't checked in the last 24 hours. We got some great big Pulsechain news today. And does the SEC take another L as always? Maybe they do. Let's go ahead and check the news. Let's start off with little old Bitcoin. Let's see Bitcoin, old man Bitcoin. Old man Bitcoin down 2.73% today at $41,858. Ethereum, 3.5% today. $2,235 for one Ethereum currently. Big old red candle. But maybe just a bull flag. I like just saying bull flag if you haven't noticed. All right, let's check the hex price. Hey, Pulsechain's up 0.65%. Hey, I'm gonna take a green day when I can get a green day. Great job, Pulsechins. 4 zeros, 5.3. You're currently 0.54x your sack rate. Pulsex is down though 1.32%, down to 4 zeros 1.4. Incentive token at 46.3%. It's down 0.64% today, and PHEX down 2% nearly at 2 zeros 8.9. And 2 zeros 4.9 for EHEX. So there you guys go for your price. Beautiful price. Let's go check at the chart. Check our chart. Look at that. A green day. What is maybe I don't know. Oh, because it's looking at 24 hours. So, but this is from close to day open to day close. So green day above the 9 EMA. Boom! Our heads are gonna explode. When the last time we got to above the 9 EMA? Back here in December 1st. All the way back in December 1st, 2 weeks ago. But really before then, it's been a while. There we go. So really until October 31st. All right, so there you guys go. We are above. Let's see if we can hold it. We got to keep pretty much 8.9. 0.0089 to hold the line. So hold the line, boys. Then we got to hit 1 penny, 1.047. And then we got the big one at 1.22. Let's see if we can do it. One T-share is going to cost you $277 right now. Going to pay you out 5.9 cents. 9.77 is currently staked over on PHEX. EHEX, one T-share is going to cost you $154. Payout per T-share is 3.31. And staked is 9.35%. There's your EHEX chart. Got some big old volume there the last couple days. Last 7 days, we're down 2.1%. Let's go check out Gary Gensler taking an L. Let's see how hard this L comes at him. Let's see. This is like a Sesame Street episode of how hard the L comes at him.
Approval process going for spot Bitcoin ETF. I know you're facing a window in early January. What does that look like?
Well, Sarah, we have, I think it's between 8 and a dozen filings. I'm a chair of a commission. I'm not to prejudge anything, so that's going through the process right now. And as you might know, we had in the past denied a number of these applications, but the courts here in the District of Columbia weighed in on that. And so we're taking a new look at this based upon those court rulings.
So he's pretty much saying he just took an L from the courts. The courts were like, no, you guys are doing things that are not legal. Look at that face. He looks like a fish underwater. It looks like a fish. Look. That's like something you'd find under the ocean right there. Like one of those blob fishes. All right, on to the next news. Today, the commission denied a petition for rulemaking filed on behalf of Coinbase Global. So Mr. Gary Gensler statement on Coinbase's let's say, so they had an application of existing laws. They wanted to change what crypto securities are, pretty much like we're a new thing. Let's be progressive on what we do, because this is a completely new thing. We're not orange groves, right? But this is what the SEC had to say because they denied it. All right, applications of existing laws to cryptocurrency securities markets. They said, Mr. Gary Gensler said the existing securities laws and regulations apply to crypto securities markets. The definition of a security includes a broad range of items, not limited to stocks and bonds, as per the rules of 1933 to 1934. The Supreme Court decision of the SEC versus Howey established the criteria on investment contracts, which is flexible and adaptable to various forms of investment. So pretty much like they're going to use it anytime you have any investment, it sounds like. They're going to use this law against you. The economic reality of transactions is the focus, not just labels or form. So the crypto asset and securities law, not all crypto assets are securities is what they are saying, but those that are must comply with federal securities laws. Although, you know, good luck trying to go to them and saying, hey, we're a security, we'd like to apply. Good luck. Where are you going to get listed? No. Nobody's been able to do it for a reason. You can ask Charles Hoskinson. He's one of the, big proponents that's like, lay out the rules, man. The registration and disclosure regime applies to a variety of issuers and securities, including crypto assets securities. Entities acting as intermediaries in crypto asset securities must be registered and comply with statutory and regulatory requirements. This goes for Coinbase, guys. Enforcement actions have been taken against unregistered broker dealers and trading platforms in the crypto securities space, i.e., Coinbase, Gemini, all those. So here's the SEC's approach through rulemaking. The SEC is actively involved in rulemaking relevant to crypto asset securities and intermediaries, if you believe that. This is coming from Gary Gensler. This isn't coming from me. Let's see. Various initiatives and proposed rules are under consideration, focusing on different aspects of crypto asset securities. The SEC engages with crypto asset market participants and provides guidance, contributing to reports on crypto assets. If you believe any of this, then you're, good one. Importance of commission discretion in rulemaking. So they're going to tell you this is why the commission tells you what's going on in the rulemaking. The SEC prioritizes its regulatory agenda and resources to address the needs of capital markets. Discretion in rulemaking is crucial for the SEC to effectively execute its mandate from Congress. So in conclusion, the SEC supports meaningful engagement with the SEC in compliance with the law by crypto projects and intermediaries. So on a hard one. Emphasis on the importance of registration and compliance for investor protection. The existing securities regime is deemed appropriate for governing crypto asset securities, and the agreement with commission's decision to deny the petition. So they pretty much denied it because they're like, nah, these rules are good. You know, the Howey test, Grove of Orange, 1933, nearly 90 years ago. It's good. It's good enough for you. So, do you guys agree with that or not? It seems like, they're getting some L's over here on the ETFs. Maybe they'll start taking L's in other places, although they've taken a lot of L's already. Do you guys agree with the SEC's rules? That's all I would like to know. Go ahead and let me know in the comments. GoPulse.com has an exciting announcement, guys. We've been working with a variety of media outlets to get articles about Pulsechain on big reputable news sites like Yahoo Finance, Tech Bullion, AP, Street Insider, Digital Journey, Business Insider. These sites are doing hundreds of millions of page views a month for dozens of millions of viewers. We're targeting investors outside of our ecosystem with this to get them on board. So you guys can find this on Tech Bullion. There you go. I've never really heard of Tech Bullion, but they also have one on Benzinga and Digital Journal. So there you guys go. I mean, this is pretty cool that GoPulse is doing that. Amazing stuff by GoPulse, and thank you for doing that. Oh, okay. And over here on Market Insider, Business Insider. So there you guys go. Great job, GoPulse. You guys are amazing. Thank you for doing that. It's pretty awesome that you guys were able to get on these platforms. And this reminds me of right when Hex was launched. There was a lot of FUD, but guess what? People were going out there and doing the work and getting us listed on, not listed, but shown on these big market analysis journals, Business Insider and stuff like that. And I think that it actually got the word out there to even more people than we even notice, because it's all about brand recognition, right? Brand recognition is way more powerful than anything. The reason why you can walk past a Coca-Cola bottle and know that it's Coca-Cola immediately is because their brand recognition. Same with Pepsi, same with any of these big brands, like even YouTube, because you see it so many times, then you're like, oh, I know that thing. And then, you hear about how it's pumping when there's a green candle. Then you're like, yeah, I know about that thing. I'm going to buy it too. Right? That's brand recognition. And this is a great way to get brand recognition, including, shilling it to people on the streets, stickers, etc. Right? It's a great way to do it. It's guerrilla marketing tactics. Not this, but I like guerrilla marketing tactics, stickers and stuff like that, because you do start to see that logo. You start to see it everywhere, right? Once you start seeing it everywhere, then you start to be like, oh yeah, I know that thing. And then you invest in it. And then you kind of figure out what it is, and then you invest in it, and you see it everywhere, right? That's when you start seeing it everywhere. And I think brand recognition is one of the things that we often forget. And thank you for GoPulse for doing exactly what everybody should be doing out there, and trying to get the word out there, right? That's all I got for you guys today. Tomorrow is our live stream, so hopefully you guys come over to that. It'll be at 2 p.m. Eastern time, which is, 2 p.m. And I will see you guys. Hopefully you had a great day. Hopefully you guys have a great rest of your evening. Hit the likes, hit the subscribes, comment down below, and I will see you guys tomorrow. See you guys.